Good day everyone. I'm Mark Clarence P. Panta from Ormoc City, third year, BSMRE Delta. I will answer two philosophical and scientific questions that challenge our belief in God. Richard Dawkins once asked, who created God? But this question is actually based on a wrong assumption. If God was created, then He would not be God. Philosophy teaches that everything that begins to exist has a cause, but God did not begin to exist. He is eternal, the uncaused cause. Just like asking, who made time? The answer is, the creator of time exists outside of time. So, God doesn't need a creator because He is the source of all creation. Now, how can we see evidence of an intelligent mind in science? Let's look at DNA. DNA carries the genetic code of life. It's like a giant instruction book inside every living cell. Modern scientists discovered that DNA contains billions of letters arranged in a meaningful sequence, just like a language or computer code. And we know from experience that codes and languages always come from an intelligent mind, not from a random chance. This shows that behind life itself, there must be an infinite, intelligent designer, which is our God. Imagine, your electric fan at home suddenly stops working. You won't say, oh, it just fixed itself. You look for the maker or technician because the fan has design and purpose. In the same way, the universe and even the DNA in our bodies show signs of intelligent design. We did not just appear by accident. We were made by a powerful creator. So, when Dawkins asks, who created God? The answer is simple. No one, because God is the eternal source of all causes, the ultimate designer behind life, DNA, and even the mind that asks the question. Thank you, and may this remind us that design always points to a designer.